everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Gabex Solutionist. And here we have a question to solve. But before I embark on the question, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. We have an exponential equation with a fraction base where we have 20 over 12 all to the power 7x minus 5 equals to 36 over 100 all to the power x minus 1. First, when we write solution to our problem, the first thing we know, when you are solving an exponential equation, you need the base to be the same in order to get rid of the base. But right now here, the fractional base aren't the same, they are different. So the first thing we need to do, the first step, we have to reduce the fraction. First step, reduce the fraction. By introducing, we divide all the fraction by 4. I will say 20 over 12 all to the power 7x minus 5 equals to 36 over 100 all to the power x minus 1. So divide both sides by 4. 4 into 20 will give you 5 times. 4 into 12, that will be 3 times. Here too, 4 into 36, that will give you 9 times. Into 100, that will be 25 times. So here I have 5 over 3 all power 7x minus 5 equals to, here I have 9 over 25 all to the power x minus 1. So the next thing we will do, we cannot do nothing in this 5 over 3. What should we do? If we look at the 9 over 25, we can get the exponent of this. We get the exponent of this. So the next thing I should do, or we should do, let's bring down our 5 over 3 all power 7x minus 5 equals to, when we take the exponent of this, it will be 3 square all over 5 square all to the power x minus 1. Then we have 5 over 3 all to the power 7x minus 5 equals to, we maintain one power by saying 3 over 5 all square. 3 over 5 all square is the same as 3 square all over 5 square. This square is affecting both the 3 and the 5. So now we said 5 over 3 all to the power 7x minus 5 equals to 3 over 5. We multiply 2 times x will give you 2x minus 2. That is, if you multiply the 2 times minus 1 will give you minus 2. So the next thing we should do, like I said in the beginning, if you want to solve an exponential equation, what you should consider is to make the base equal. But yet we believe here the bases are still different, because this is 5 over 3 and that is 3 over 5. So what we should do, we either make this base to be equal to this base, or we make this base to be equal to this base. But I prefer making this base to be equal to that base. So I will say I will maintain this 5 over 3 all to the power 7x minus 5 equals to, I will now reverse the numbers, take the denominator up and bring down the numerator. But in indices we know whenever you reverse a fraction, if the power was a positive, we expect the power to change to a negative. Or if the power was a negative, it will change to a positive. So since here we reverse, then we will have negative 1. Open bracket, you maintain your powers. Now you can see the bases are the same. I'll still bring down my 5 over 3 all to the power 7x minus 5 equals to 5 over 3 all to the power. Now I multiply minus 1 times 2x. Sorry, is the win. Okay, is the win. Minus 1 times 2x. That will give me minus 2x. Minus 1 times minus 2. That will give you plus 2. As you can see now, the bases are the same. So I will say this base will cancel this base. And I have 7x minus 5 equals to 2x plus 2. I will now collect like terms where we have 7x. This should be minus 2x. Sorry for that. If you bring out the minus, if you bring the minus 2x here, it will change to plus 2x. And you write your equals to sign equals to 2. That is minus 5. If you bring it, it will change to plus 5. 7x plus 2x will give you 9x equals to 2 plus 5 will give you 7. Now, this will implies as 9x equals to 7. You divide both sides by 9. Here by 9. This will cancel this, of course. Your x, the value of x, will now be equals to 7 over 9. That was the answer. And if you introduce this answer, if you introduce it to these values of this x, you will realize the equation, the exponential equation in the left hand side will be equals to that of the right hand side. I thank you all, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.